Renderers for context rendering. Overview. Description. Renderers are components or tools used to transform and present contextual data in a human-readable or machine-interpretable format. They are essential in applications where context needs to be visualized, formatted, or structured for better understanding and usage. Key components. Data source. Description. The source of the data or context that needs to be rendered. This could be a database, a P file, or any other data repository. Renderer. Description. The component or tool responsible for transforming raw data into the desired format. This includes templates, scripts, or rendering engines. Output format. Description. The final format in which the rendered data is presented. This could be HTML, JSON, XML, PDF, or any other format suitable for the application. Types of renderers. Template renderers. Description. Renderers that use predefined templates to format data. Commonly used in web development to generate HTML pages. Examples. Jinja 2 Python. Handlebars JavaScript. Markup renderers. Description. Renderers that convert data into markup languages like HTML, Markdown, or XML. Useful for generating documents and reports. Examples. Markdown Python Markdown. XML XML. Visual renderers. Description. Renderers that create visual representations of data, such as charts, graphs, and plots. Examples. Matplotlib Python. D3, JS JavaScript. Text renderers. Description. Renderers that format data into plain text, often used for generating logs, reports, or console output. Examples. String template Java. Rich Python. Document renderers. Description. Renderers that generate documents in formats like PDF, Word, or LaTeX. Examples. Report Lab Python. Pandoc Multiple languages. API response renderers. Description. Renderers that format data for API responses, typically in JSON or XML. Examples. FastAPI Python. Spring Boot Java. Steps. Step 1. Description. Data retrieval. Retrieve the necessary data or context from the data source. This may involve querying a database, calling an API, or reading a file. Step 2. Description. Data transformation. Transform the raw data into a structured format suitable for rendering. This could involve data cleaning, aggregation, or reformatting. Step 3. Description. Template application. Apply the renderer to the transformed data using templates or rendering logic. This step generates the final formatted output. Step 4. Description. Output generation. Produce the final output in the desired format and deliver it to the end user or downstream system. This could involve saving to a file, sending via an API, or displaying in OE. Considerations. Performance. Description. Ensure the rendering process is efficient and can handle large volumes of data without significant delays. Scalability. Description. Design the rendering system to scale with increasing data loads and user requests. Flexibility. Description. Use flexible rendering engines and templates that can easily adapt to changes in data structure or presentation requirements. Accuracy. Description. Ensure the rendered output accurately represents the underlying data and context. Technologies. Templating engines. Description. Tools that allow developers to define templates for rendering data. These templates can include placeholders and logic for dynamic content generation. Visualization libraries. Description. libraries that provide tools and functions for creating visual representations of data, such as charts, graphs, and plots. Document generators. Description. Tools that generate formatted documents in various formats like PDF, Word, or LaTeX from structured data. API frameworks. Description. Frameworks that facilitate the creation and rendering of API responses, ensuring data is formatted correctly for clients. Integration. API integration. Description. Use APIs to integrate renderers with data sources and downstream systems, ensuring seamless data flow in rendering. Continuous monitoring. Description. Monitor the rendering process to ensure it performs optimally and produces accurate outputs. Feedback loop. Description. Implement a feedback loop to refine rendering templates and logic based on user feedback and changing requirements. Example usage. Web development. Description. Use template renderers to generate dynamic HTML pages from backend data, providing users with up-to-date content. Reporting. Description. Implement document renderers to generate detailed reports in PDF or Word format, incorporating data from various sources. Data visualization. Description. Utilize visualization libraries to create interactive charts and graphs that help users understand complex data sets. API development. Description. Use API response renderers to format data in JSON or XML for API clients, ensuring consistency and readability.